Welcome to this mindfulness meditation practice entitled Using the Five Senses. The 5-4-3-2-1 mindful meditation is a grounding technique that uses the senses to bring your attention to the present moment. It's a simple and effective practice that can help you to cultivate mindfulness and reduce anxiety or stress. To begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or stand in a comfortable position, ensuring that your body is relaxed yet alert. Take a moment to settle yourself and bring your attention to the present moment. So you're going to begin by noticing 5 things that you can see. Begin by observing your surroundings and intentionally noticing 5 things that you can see. These can be objects, colours, textures, or anything within your field of vision. Pay close attention to the details of each item. Now acknowledge 4 things that you can feel. Shift your attention to your sense of touch. Notice and acknowledge 4 things that you can feel physically. It can be the texture of an object, the sensation of your clothes against your skin, the warmth or coolness of the air, or the pressure of your body against the chair or the ground. Now recognize 3 things that you can hear. Tune into your sense of hearing and identify 3 things that you can hear in your environment. Be the sounds from nature, people talking, background noises, music, or even your own breath or heartbeat. Allow the sounds to come and go without judgment. Bring your attention now to your sense of smell. Notice and identify 2 things that you can smell. Whether it's the scent of flowers, food, a fragrance, or any other odours present in your surroundings. Take a moment to fully experience the aroma without getting caught up in thoughts or associations. Finally, focus your attention on your sense of taste. Notice and acknowledge one thing that you can taste. It can be a lingering taste in your mouth, the flavour of a drink or of food, or even the absence of taste. Allow yourself to fully experience the taste without judgment or needing to change it. After going through the 5 senses, take a deep breath and bring your attention back to your breath for a moment. Notice the sensation of the breath entering and leaving the body, anchoring you in the present moment. The 5-4-3-2-1 meditation can be practiced in a short amount of time and is particularly helpful during moments of stress or anxiety. It helps to shift your focus away from racing thoughts and into the sensory experiences of the present moment. By engaging the senses, you bring yourself into a state of heightened awareness and mindfulness. Once again, this mindfulness technique becomes increasingly effective the more you practice it. Namaste.